If you need a digital passport photo for an online application, you don't have to visit a photo studio. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to create a digital passport photo at home. A digital passport photo is simply a passport-style image saved as a digital file that you upload when applying for a passport or ID online. It must follow official passport photo rules and have the correct size and framing for your specific application. Remember, a neutral expression and a plain white or light background are essential for your photo to be accepted. The first step is taking a good photo with your smartphone. Here is how to set up your shot. Find a plain light background and stand about 1 to 1.5 meters away from it to avoid shadows. Use natural light from a window if possible. This ensures your face is evenly lit without any harsh shadows. Place your phone at eye level. Looking directly at the lens helps maintain the correct posture for the photo. Make sure to look directly at the lens and keep your shoulders level. Take several photos so you can choose the best one. Review your shots to ensure your eyes are open, your mouth is closed, and you have that neutral expression and there are no shadows. If you're using an iPhone, you can easily isolate yourself from the background using built-in tools. Simply open your chosen photo in the Photos app. This method works best on newer iOS versions. Tap and hold on the person in the image. The phone will automatically select the subject for you. This allows you to quickly create a clean white background, which is a requirement for most passport applications. You can also adjust brightness and contrast manually to make sure your face is clearly visible and correctly exposed. When cropping, make sure your head is centered with enough space around it to meet the specific size requirements. For an even easier solution, you can use PhotoBooth Online to automate the background removal and cropping for you. Once the photo is ready, simply download the digital file. It's now ready to be uploaded to your application. Before you submit, double-check that your expression is neutral, your eyes are visible, and the background is clear. With these tips, creating your digital passport photo at home is quick and easy. Good luck with your application!